No, I totally don't have it. This is just a figment of your imagination, didn't you know?
I thought it was your backpack strap.
Yeah, it totally is. I'm totally wearing my backpack. Or at least cut off the strap and wearing the strap.
I knew it. Is there a car behind us? It's okay. Hi, Steven. What's up, man?
What, the Steven you wanted me to meet?
Yes. He's on his motor pickle. Why is he going into town? He's supposed to be at work.
Are you gonna ask him why he's on his motor pickle?
No, he's not supposed to be home for another 3 hours.
Did you seriously say motor pickle?
Yes, I said motor pickle, okay? Get off my case! Fucking A! It is a car! Yes, let's stop on our brakes! Oh no, go around the corner! God!
Now you see why I grabbed the
Shut
phone.
up!
Now you see why I grabbed the phone.
Alright, green light, assholes, let's go! Push the gas pedal! To get your driver's license, pretty sure you need to know which one's gas pedal, so how about you fucking push it?
Oh, so you're not gonna describe to
Shut
them what the
up!
gas is again?
Fuck you! Oh my god! Quit hitting your brakes! Put your foot on the long skinny one all the way to the right! Fuck! God damn! I hate slow people! And it's fucking raining. Fucking bullshit.
Alright, let's send this to Jeff Dunham.
Send it to Luke. Oh my god.
Huh?
Ah, Lucas, my detective friend.
Oh.
He would shit a brick. Fucking A! I did not mean to do that. I guess it's a good thing there's nobody behind me. Oh my god!
It's a good thing
hell!
It's a good thing your brakes work!
Yeah, thanks, Chris.
No, thanks Chris's head. Thank Chris's head for that one.
It is a hill! You're not gonna die because you're going down a hill that's a little wet! Don't take a fucking pic! Oh my god! It's an ambulance! It doesn't have its sirens armor, it's fucking lights! You don't need to drive like a goddamn grandma!
How much you want to bet that is, Grandma?
Shut up! Oh my god! Again with the fucking brakes! You live in Washington! Get used to the rain! Fuck! I swear, when you get your license, if you pull this shit, I'm gonna bash your head into the steering wheel. You think I'm kidding, but I'm not!
I know you're serious. This is hilarious. Well, other than the fact that there's cars in front of this one.
I don't give a damn. I'm screaming at all of them. This is bullshit.
No reason why I was saying, too bad there's cars in front of this one.
Oh, yeah.
The one car that was riding your bumper. Why not? Watch, that car suddenly appear behind you. Or suddenly in front of you again.
Yes, there's a car on the side of the road. Let's all freak out about it. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. It's a 40. You gotta go down to 35. Fucking cunts. None of them better turn off. I swear to God, if any of them fucking turn off, I'm gonna flip a bitch.
Turn off!
Kiss my ass! Oh, motherfucker!
I only said that because I saw the blinker turn on. No, I'm totally psychic. That's how I knew when to say it.
You're gonna get hit! You're gonna get hit!
I know, but this
Fucking
is
assholes
hilarious.
don't know how to drive. They've got Washington plates, but they don't know how to drive.
No, get it right. They got Bremerton.
Fuck you, shithead.
Like yours?
No, my bumper, it's got a crack in it. Let me just tap yours, we'll match. Matching bumpers. Bumper buddies. Yeah. Yeah. Whee, I am not doing the speed limit. Holy fuck.
How high?
About 50 and a 35. Yeah!
Yeah, this is so going to your detective.
Oh, shut up! Don't send it to Luke. He'll get mad at me.
No, I'll just put it on Facebook and tag
He doesn't
you.
have Facebook.
No, but all your friends will see.
Shut up!
Anything you want to say?
Yeah, fuck you, cunt!
Love you too.
Go to hell. I'm done with you.